What's up Internet, Trevor here with Beesley Beard Co. Today I'm giving you a little bit of a tutorial on how to put in beard oil. I'm going to be using some Vanilla beard oil from Beesley Beard Co. Like I say, just going to show you how to put it in. I just woke up, my beard's looking like crap, so I'm going to jump in the shower real quick and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. So I got out of the shower, my hair's still a little bit wet. My beard, I've just towel dried it, so basically I just kind of pat it down, dry it. It still has a little bit, while I'm flipping it, you can't see it, but water's coming out a little bit. So it's a little bit damp. I like to take warm showers. Basically, what that does for me is it opens up my pores. When you're putting in beard oil, the concept is that you want to get it down into the skin, because the healthiest beard is going to come from your skin being healthy. So you want to rub it down into your skin. So here's what I do. I get the beard oil, I unscrew the cap. Now I sell these little droppers, so what I'm going to do, let's set this down here. So you've got the dropper and you're just going to fill it with some beard oil, and then I just run it down my face, and then I run it down this side of my face, and I drip some into the front of my beard, get some more here. Now I've got a little bit bigger of a beard, so I have to put a little bit more in. I drip 1 or 2 drops down my mustache, and then I fill the rest in just down into my beard, put the dropper away, and then you just use your hands. Like I say, you're just going to work it in, get in there nice and deep. Yeah, this vanilla smells so good too. You're just going to get in there nice and deep. Like I say, you're first going to want to massage it into your skin. Get up in the mustache, the chin area. And, you know, I run it all the way up my sideburns. Doesn't matter how messy my beard looks after, because I'm going to comb it out and kind of get that looking good. But yeah, so I get in there nice and deep, and then I bring it in through the beard. So I'm kind of using my fingers to kind of fork through my beard, bring it up through the beard, so then it's all throughout. Now you're going to lose some hairs in the process. That's fine, that's expected. Once you get it kind of in there, this is where I like to get my comb, and I like the fine tooth combs. I'm probably going to be putting some up on the site here soon. They're a little bit more fine tooth like this. Don't have any yet, but we'll probably get there. But I like the fine tooth combs. It really gets in there. But now what I'm going to be doing is dragging the tip of the comb into my skin and really embedding that oil into my skin. So basically I'm just kind of giving a little bit extra pressure than what I normally would, and just dragging it all the way into my skin, all the way down my neck, and just making sure that I'm really embedding that oil in there. And then I just go from one side of my beard all the way to the other. Same thing, and I kind of go a little higher, get the oil in my cheeks, get my mustache. And like I say, I'm dragging that all the way down into my neck, because that's where my beard's going to be. Now I don't like my beard to be just straight down right up against my face, because it kind of tickles. So I usually will then comb my hair, my beard hair, out the other way. So you can see I'm kind of getting up underneath it, combing it out, and then I come at it one more time, and I kind of have a little feather technique, so I just pull it out away from my face, and I'll do this across my whole beard. And then I comb my mustache down, so I get this kind of a big wide beard. Then I come in with a bristle brush, and this is where I more do the shaping, and I just comb this a little bit more light. I'm not going as hard as I was with the comb, but I just brush this out, go over the mustache a little bit. And then you can use your hands just to kind of shape it the way you want. There you go. So guys, that's how you put in beard oil. Thank you again for watching. Again, this is Trevor with Beesley Beard Co. Have a good one, guys.